2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 62,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as satellite radio, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Get a fast and easy price quote today